I'd like to play a game with you. Up until now, you've just sat there as a voyeur watching other people in their videos without care about who that person is. Well, what do voyeurs see when they look into the mirror?
What's good, YouTube? Today we're back here with another painting video, but today we'll be drawing Billy from the Saw movie, Billy the Puppet. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, go watch my previous videos, and happy Halloween, everybody. What's good, YouTube? I finally finished this Saw painting, so y'all take a look. One more thing I got to do. Hold up. Now y'all see that? Now the painting is complete. So y'all leave in the comments down below what y'all think about it, and got more coming up for this house for this month of October. More paintings coming up, and I'll see y'all in the next video.